Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up scheduling on Squarespace. Squarespace Scheduling is a powerful tool designed to streamline your appointment booking and calendar management. It allows your clients to easily book, reschedule, and even pay for services directly through your website. This integrated system is powered by Acuity Scheduling, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for both you and your customers. Next, you'll define your services and set your availability. Start by creating different appointment types, specifying unique durations, prices, and clear descriptions for each. Then, set your regular weekly business hours. Remember, you can easily block off specific dates for holidays or personal time. To prevent any double bookings, integrate your Squarespace calendar with external calendars like Google, Outlook, or iCloud. Now, let's customize your scheduler to match your brand. You can personalize your scheduling page with your logo, brand colors, and any specific instructions for clients. It's also crucial to integrate payment processors such as Stripe or PayPal to securely accept online payments for your services. Finally, set up automated email and text reminders. These are excellent for reducing no-shows and keeping your clients well informed. The final step is to add your scheduler to your Squarespace site and go live. Simply add a scheduling block to any page where you want clients to book appointments. You have the flexibility to display your general scheduler or specific appointment types directly on the page. Test everything thoroughly to ensure a smooth booking experience. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.